YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. Yo, what's good, y'all? So I really wasn't even planning to make this video, but I thought that I should make it. I just moved into a new place and pretty much building out like a new set, a new studio. I figured that I would actually do like a series of me setting up and designing this studio. Let me show you guys real quickly what I got. These are 3D panels right here, and they come from Art3D. Comes in this box right here, and these are 12 by 12. I got a total of 33 panels for $65. So far I kind of stuck them up just to test them out to see how many I would want to use over here and ways to stick them up. I came up with this 3M sticky. I stuck those up maybe like 3 or 4 days ago, and they have not budged. In the instructions, they tell you like to attach it to your wall, which is permanent. I don't want something permanent that's gonna damage the wall. Let me just show you what I got so far. As you can kind of see how that looks, I got another shelf that I'm gonna do right here, like so. This is what the idea is, and now we're gonna execute it. Let's get it. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Becky and Chris' channel, but yo, this is such a great little tool that I learned from them. So if you get you a sticky note like so, and you curve the inside a little bit, you can stick it right here. And when I sand this, instead of getting crap all over the floor, it just falls inside of the sticky note. Like, how cool is, like, that is like an awesome little hack. That was mad random, but let's go ahead and finish up this project. As I am putting this up here, I realized that these do not fit perfectly. Now, in a perfect world, you would like cut them, but I ain't got time for that. I want to avoid cutting these because what if one day I say, okay, I'm done with this, I want to move this over to that wall, and then I would have to like buy more. You have the option to do them like this to where they kind of like match, or you can do it kind of opposite, so it's a little bit randomized. A few days have passed and I was waiting to get some more stuff in so I could properly LED light this 2 shelves. So went and got these Lifx Z strips. I did a whole review on these if you want to check it out, but these are definitely like my favorite LED strips. This is basically a diffuser for LEDs. So in case you can see the LEDs, you stick them in here so it's diffused. I'm gonna show you in a second if it's not making sense. The size of this is about 1 meter long. With most LED strips, you can cut it, but you have to like solder and do a whole lot of stuff that I wasn't trying to do all that. I just want to do something real simple. The Lifx Z strips actually come in 1 meter length. This LED diffuser right here, which is also 1 meter. Let me show you real quickly what the LED strips look like with the diffuser and without. You can see every single spot right here. And now we're gonna put the diffuser on and let's see if it makes a big difference. This is with the diffusion on, and you can still kind of see each individual LED, but not as much. The top one does not have the diffuser and the bottom one has the diffuser. From my eyes looking at this, I can tell that the diffused one looks better to me. Okay, so this is the final product here, and I am very, very satisfied how this all came out. So I basically just wanted to have an area where I could display all of my camera stuff because I'm a camera nerd. Got all my camera gear right here. And on the pegboard, I just got drones and little camera gadgets. I have my charging stuff to charge up all of my cameras, gimbals, drone bags, and I mean, it's a whole vibe in here, man. It's a whole vibe. The panels, they didn't come out perfect. Like, I can see a little tiny little gap in between them. The only person that's gonna notice that is me. These are all independent addressable. I can go to my theme tab in the Lifx app and I could click this and it can change all of the colors, or I could actually go and paint on this. I could paint this first section right here to be white, I could go ahead and I could make the second shelf all red if I wanted, and then I can make the top shelf blue. It's just so many possibilities to transform this really dope wall that I created. Also, I added some greenery on the side so I can hide the cables that slide between the panels to go up to connect to the other LED strips. It just looks so good, yo. It looks so good. I cannot wait till I do this wall over here. That's gonna probably be in the next setup vlog video like this one. If you decide to get this, I will leave links in the description for everything in this video that we kind of talked about today, just in case you want to check it out. So yeah, I hope this gave you guys some inspiration. I hope that you guys enjoyed the process, gave you some ideas on ways to do something fancy like this. But with all that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave your boy a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And remember, guys, never stop creating. Deuces.